Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel where we gear up and get real about the tech that powers your grind. Picture this, you're crushing a trail run, heart pounding, wind in your face, and you can hear everything. Rustling leaves, cars approaching, your playlist pumping, no isolation, no ear fatigue, just full awareness and killer sound. That's the promise of open-ear earbuds, and today we're testing the OpenRock X. These snagged the Japan Good Award Design 2024 and they're gunning to be your next workout sidekick. Alright, let's break down what makes the OpenRock X tick. First, the star. Air conduction technology. Unlike in-ear buds that plug into your canal, these just rest above it, channeling sound through air vibration. That means you stay aware of your surroundings, no claustrophobic seal, no fatigue. The fit is fully adjustable. Ear hooks rotate 45 degrees left-right and 50 degrees up-down for a secure custom feel. Seriously, look at this. It hugs your ear like it was molded just for you. No slipping during sprints, no pressure after hours. The IPX5 waterproof, so sweat or a light rain, no worries. Bluetooth 5.3 brings multi-point pairing. Connect to your phone and laptop and it auto switches seamlessly for calls. Battery life 12 hours on a single charge, 48 with the case. Plus a quick 5-minute flash charge gives you an hour of playback. The controls are super easy to remember. One press plays or pauses your music or answers a call. Double press skips to the next track or rejects a call. And triple press takes you back to the previous track. The OpenRock app lets you choose your style. Rock mode for that bass heavy workout energy. Relax mode when it's time to unwind, and boom mode when you just need a little extra power in noisy places. There's even a custom mode with EQ sliders, so you can fine-tune the sound exactly to your liking. For calls, AI4 mic noise cancellation with beamforming keeps your voice crisp. It's not full ANC, but it kills wind noise and background chatter. In the box you get the case, a USB-C cable and a quick start guide. No ear tips needed, it's open ear after all. For just a few bucks extra, you can opt for the OpenRock X bundled with a sleek portable case, as shown here. I put the OpenRock X to the test on a trail run and during a workout, and the fit remained rock solid. I could clearly hear my footsteps, chirping birds, and even the rustle of leaves in the breeze. Open earbuds often sacrifice immersion for awareness, but the OpenRock X delivers impressive sound with BassDirect tech and the LISO 2.0 algorithm, providing rich lows with minimum sound leakage. I connected the OpenRock X to my Samsung S24 via Bluetooth and I'll showcase the sound quality using 2 tracks as examples. Pink Floyd's Another Brick in the Wall Part 2 for crisp highs and drums and David Guetta's Sunshine for that EDM thump. Starting with Pink Floyd, that guitar riff and Gilmour solo. Crystal clear, the highs slice through cleanly, vocals sit forward and the bass hits just right without drowning the mix. Outdoors the natural sound blends beautifully with the environment. I'd give clarity an 8 out of 10. Then Guetta's Sunshine, pure EDM energy. The drop hits, bass rumbles deep but controlled, synth sparkle. Even in a noisy environment on boom mode it held up. Loud, clear, no distortion at louder volumes. With barely noticeable sound leakage, unless someone's right beside you, the OpenRock X earns an 8.5 out of 10 for its balanced, energetic and fatigue-free performance. Solid for sports, though not audiophile grade. Every gadget has trade-offs, so let's get real. I'll start with the cons first. Open ears means no isolation. In really loud settings, like city commutes, you'll have to crank up the volume, which can tire your ears. The app can lag occasionally when switching modes, though updates may fix that. With a retail price of $169, it's premium for open earbuds. There are cheaper options, but few with this level of comfort and design. Now let's dive into the pros of the OpenRock X, which truly shine in several key areas. First, their open-ear design delivers exceptional situational awareness, allowing you to enjoy your music while staying attuned to your surroundings. Perfect for outdoor activities like trail running or cycling. The fit is remarkably secure, remaining rock solid during intense workouts or runs, ensuring you never have to pause to adjust them. The sound quality punches above its weight, offering rich balanced audio with impressive low end depth for open earbuds, all while keeping sound leakage minimal. Bluetooth 5.3 ensures a seamless, stable connection. Additionally, for just a few bucks extra, you can opt for a bundle that includes a sleek, portable case, adding convenience and protection. So yeah, some quirks, but overall the pros far outweigh the cons. Wrapping it up, the OpenX open-ear air conduction sports earbuds are not perfect, but they nail the open-ear promise. Smart features, reliable performance and motivating sound that keeps you aware and comfortable make the OpenRock X a must-have for outdoor enthusiasts and gym goers alike. I'm actually gonna keep the OpenRock X in my daily rotation, and if you are interested in trying them out, I've put a link in the description with a big discount code. What do you think? Are you team open ear or team in ear? Drop your thoughts below, hit subscribe for more gear reviews, and I'll catch you in the next one.